I cannot miss anything. I'm so excited for this boat day. Cannot wait to get out of this colder weather and into some sunlight, sip on a cocktail. And a girl can never have too many hats. Check, do I have everything? I think we're good and ready to go. I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Now this is relaxing.
Jess.
What?
You have to film.
Film? They said I would be spending the day on the boat. This is not what I imagined, but a boat is a boat, I guess. Filming a video. Fine. What the heck? Okay. Anyway, this is better and now we are ready to start working. And guys, look at this boat. It can be described as an absolute unit. The sparkle and shimmer on this boat is next level, and that is exactly why you have to provide PPF for a boat like this. Now this is the Malibu LSV25 LSV. And this is a proper toy to use on the river or the dam. And like I said, the shimmer and glitter on this paint, you have to see it in person. It's absolutely gorgeous and so unique. And we're not just going to apply any PPF, we'll be applying the Stick Marine PPF, specifically crafted to be on something that's going to be in the water the entire time. It has to be durable and has to protect the stunning paint. You all know how it goes. You park your boat against the tires, it gets scratched, it gets marks, everyone bumps into it, it's a mess, and you want to protect something as special as this as much as you can. Not only PPF, but we're also going to ceramic coating the entire interior of this boat, the seats, because there's always that one friend that steps onto the boat with their shoes not a care in the world, and there are going to be some drinks spilled, you know how it goes. So that ceramic coating is going to provide the hydrophobic properties and just keep it protected and pristine. Guys, I am obsessed. I am having the time of my life, having something a little bit different here at 2J's Detailing, and we cannot wait to show you the final results. By the way, who was that chick? Anyway, let's get cracking.
Today we're excited to introduce the new Stick Marine range to the South African market.
Compared to what we usually do here at 2J's Detailing, this was quite the difference. Quite a change in scenery, and we absolutely loved having fun with this video. We are so excited about how the PPF on this boat came out, and honestly guys, I know you cannot see it on the video as much as you can see it in person, but the PPF makes the sparkle pop so much more. This boat is now fully protected and it is ready to have some fun. Let me tell you, this thing is gonna go on quite some adventures. If I'm not mistaken, there was a girl on the intro of this video. She was in a bikini. I wonder where she is right now. Not that I want to join her for a fun boat day or something. I'm just wondering. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. And don't you worry about where I'm going.